Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 1, Day 5. We're going to begin by blending some sounds to make words. A, main, b, a, k, bake, a, k, lake, a, k, flake. Now this time we're going to say a word and break it apart. Safe, s, a, f. 3 sounds. Game, g, a, 3 sounds. Plate, p, a, t, 4 sounds. Brave, b, a, v, 4 sounds. Snake, s, a, k, 4 sounds. Now what you'll notice in some of those words is we had two letter blends. So pull is not in the alphabet, but pull is. So we have to break apart our blends. Okay, so I'm going to let you read these. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, flake. 3, 2, 1, male. And this is male as in a boy. Not like you get the mail, but it's like a boy. 3, 2, 1, pave. 3, 2, 1, mad. I hope you didn't get tricked on this one. There's no super E, so it says a, not a. 3, 2, 1, made. There's our super E. 3, 2, 1, mat. 3, 2, 1, mate. 3, 2, 1, isn't. 3, 2, 1, wasn't. 3, 2, 1, haven't. 3, 2, 1, can't. Okay, I'm going to let you do each of these. 3, 2, 1, make. 3, 2, 1, sail. 3, 2, 1, shade. 3, 2, 1, plate. Okay, so let's read this. Rat, add an E to the end. So rat becomes rate. That's right, because it says its name. It says A. Change the to h, hate. Get rid of the E. Hat. Change the h to f, fat. Add an E to the end. Fate. Change the t to fame. Change the f to s, same. Change the s to sh, shame. Change the to d, shade. Change the sh to made. And then get rid of the E. Cover up the E with your finger, with your hand. Mad. Change the d to man. Add an E at the end. Man becomes main. Change the to p, pain. Add an L right here. Plain. Change the to t, plate. Get rid of the p. Get rid of that. Late. Change the t to k, lake. And then add an F in front of the L, flake. Okay, friends, so these are words that hopefully are automatic for you. That means you're able to look at them and understand super E with A now. Okay, 3, 2, 1, late. 3, 2, 1, take. 3, 2, 1, wade. 3, 2, 1, lake. 3, 2, 1, gaze. 3, 2, 1, wake. 3, 2, 1, lane. 3, 2, 1, gate. 3, 2, 1, cave. 3, 2, 1, fade. 3, 2, 1, save. 3, 2, 1, tame. 3, 2, 1, tap. 3, 2, 1, tape. 3, 2, 1, rat. 3, 2, 1, rate. 3, 2, 1, snack. 3, 2, 1, snake. Okay, so this would be snack, but you have a super E, so it says A. 3, 2, 1, whale. 3, 2, 1, skate. 3, 2, 1, shade. 3, 2, 1, chase. And keep going. 3, 2, 1, grape. 3, 2, 1, phase. That was a lot of words, and hopefully you were able to do that with me. And if not, we'll just keep practicing. Okay, here's our high frequency words. Away, 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 away. My dog ran away, but he came back. Now, 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 now. Can we play the game now? Some. I see some snakes in the grass. Today. I had fun at camp today. Way. Is this the way to school? Why? Why are the ducks quacking at me? Okay, here's our story for today, and I'm going to give you 3 seconds to think in your head. Do you think this is fiction, which is fake or pretend, or non-fiction, which is real? 3, 2, 1. If you said non-fiction, you're right. Non-fiction, you can generally tell non-fiction by looking at the picture. Is this a real picture of a snake? Yes, so it's a real story. Okay, here we go. I'll let you go first. Together. Safe, snakes. Here's some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1. What? 3, 2, 1. 2. 3, 2, 1. Be. 3, 2, 1. Does. 3, 2, 1. Have. 3, 2, 1. Do. 3, 2, 1. Under. 3, 2, 1. 2. 3, 2, 1. Away. 3, 2, 1. They. 3, 2, 1. Look. 3, 2, 1. As. 3, 2, 1. Move. 3, 2, 1. 1. 3, 2, 1. Why? 3, 2, 1. Today. 3, 2, 1. Way. Okay, so let's. Oh, the title's not on this. That's okay. We'll just start. Okay, I'm going to let you go first, then we'll do it together. Together. What helps a snake to be safe? A snake can't run. It does not have legs. What can a snake do? Think in your head. What do you think a snake does? Okay, your turn. Okay, ready? Begin. Snakes can make safe nests. A snake can dig a den in sand. It will nest in logs and under plants too. Okay. Well, here's a picture, so your turn first. Okay, together. Snakes can get away fast. Now and then a snake will slip under a rock. Then it can't be spotted. Okay, your turn. Together, some snakes have scales that blend in. They look the same as land. Scales help snakes move. So you might know that big word called camouflage. That means they look like the sand here, so they're hiding in a way. Okay, your turn. Okay, together. Snakes can huff and hiss. A snake can shake at one end. So this is a rattlesnake. It'll wiggle the end of its tail and it sounds like a rattle. It makes noise to say stay away. Okay, together. A snake can flop and act as if it is dead. I didn't know that. Okay, your turn. Let's read that together. Why is this snake safe today? It can escape. It can blend in. It can make its way to a safe spot. Okay, so very nice. We learned some facts about snakes. So our contractions, we have is not. What do I cross off? If you said the O, that's right. It becomes isn't. Is not, isn't. Are not, cross off our O, aren't. Okay. Was not, cross off our O, over here. Wasn't. Okay. Were not, get rid of our O, becomes weren't. Okay. Has not, get rid of our O, becomes hasn't. Whoops. Have not, get rid of our O, put it together, becomes haven't. And the last one, cannot. Do you remember what we get rid of? We get rid of the O and the N, because we don't need two N's. So that becomes cannot, becomes can't. Okay, so we have is not, isn't. Are not, aren't. Was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. Has not, hasn't. Have not, haven't. And last of all, cannot, can't. Okay, so this week we've been working on verbs. Remember, a verb is an action. So I'm going to read this and give you a second to think of the verbs. There might be more than one. The big dog jumps in the pond and fetches a stick. Think of what the dog is doing. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. If you said jumps, that's correct. That's a verb. That's something he does. And then the other one is fetches. That means he's going to get the stick and bring it back to the owner. Okay, so we have a little bit of time left. So in this activity, they wanted you to put the verb in. So it says, we blank at school today. So think of something we can do at school. So think in your head of what a sentence you might create would be. I would say we learn, right? We learned at school today. It's in the past. We learned. I don't blank at school. Think of something you don't do. I don't yell. I think that's a good one. That's a verb. We don't yell at school. Okay. I can't blank very well. And I want to add yet. So I'm working on learning to read Spanish. So I can't read Spanish very well yet. But I'm working on it. One of these days I will. I can blank very well. You could say I can jump very well. I can learn very well. I can listen very well. That's a skill. Some people are very good at listening. Okay, friends, that's all for this week. I'll see you next week. Bye, everyone.